Assalamualaikum, Abiti Director and all the audience we have today. Today, we're going to embark on a journey into the technological marvel that is Intel-Core 13th generation, featuring the powerhouse i7-13700K processor. Meet our exploration team, Muhammad Danish Hamid, Asha Hanani, Siti Noadiba, Nura Safra, and Not Afina Fitria. Together, we will unravel the capabilities of this cutting-edge CPU. Audience today. Here's at fans. Today made the Intel-Core i7-13700K the 2022 powerhouse with absolute magic. Imagine 16 cores doing their thing, 8 for power, 8 for efficiency, at 24 threads for multitasking brilliance. Hold on tight, it turbo boosts to 5.40 GHz. Crazy fast, right? Not to mention, it's not just a brain, it's got integrated Intel UHD Graphics 770 for smooth visual. Stick around to uncover more about this tech gem, the Intel Core i7-13700K, where power meets simplicity. As you can see from the Reptile architecture of RAM, there's 8 performance core which is Reptile core, and there's 4 cluster core of efficient core which is Prisma core. But in Intel Core i7-13700K is only use 2 cluster core of Prisma core by disabling another 2 in order to boost the performance. Not only that, the 8 replica core sporting larger 2 MB dedicated level 2 cache. This is a big solid upgrade from the Intel previous core, which is Golden core with 1.25 MB. The two Griezmann core cluster generously share 4 MB of level 2 caches among their 4 efficient cores each. This is a big leap from the previous Alder Lake. And the shared 30 MB level 3 cache now operates with a new inclusive or non-inclusive partitioning mode.
Intel hyper-threading technology is a hardware innovation that allows more than one thread to run on each core. More threads mean more work can be done in parallel. How does hyper-threading work? When Intel hyper-threading technology is active, the CPU is exposed to execution context per physical core. This means that one physical core now works like 2 logical cores that can handle different software threads. 2 logical cores can work through tasks more efficiently than a traditional single-threaded core. 3 advantages using hyper-threading technology. First, multitasking. If systems support hyper-threading, then several processes can run at once on the different threads of the CPU core. Second, resource utilization. Using hyper-threading resource can be stay idle and utilized in great extent because of several at once running processes that can need resource. Because of this, the system overall efficiency and performance increase. The last one is responsiveness. Advanced execution helps to decrease the response time for user. Meanwhile, disadvantage is if many processes are running at the same time because of hyper-threading, and these processes compete for limited resource, such as cache memory, then resource may get blocked. And because of many running processes, resources are shared among them, which can lead to increased the contention and delays in input or output of resource.
We all have had the problems of our computer slowing down while working due to having multiple apps running in the background. This may cause your PC to overheat, and it may also drain your PC's power. This is where the Turbo Boost technology comes in. It is an energy-efficient solution to the problems I mentioned before. It lets the CPU run at a base clock speed for light workloads. It jumps to a higher one for heavier workloads. Now, how does the Turbo Boost technology work? Let's start off with a recap about the Intel i7-13700K's base and max turbo frequency. The base frequency is the normal speed in which a CPU operates on. For the Intel i7-13700K, it is running on a base frequency of 2.50 GHz. Then we come across the max turbo frequency, which is a maximum single core frequency a CPU can achieve. As mentioned in the introduction, this processor has a max turbo frequency of 5.40 GHz. As you can see, this is how the Turbo Boost technology works. It starts off with a base frequency of 2.50 GHz, then the technology dynamically increases the clock rate potentially speeding up your CPU while the temperature and power stays within the safe range, while the CPU reaches the max turbo frequency of 5.40 GHz.
Intel Core i7-13700K uses Intel UHD Graphics 770 as integrated graphic processing unit or known as GPU. This GPU has 32 execution units and clock speed that can operate up to 1.6 GHz. It also has features of 256 shading unit, 16 texture mapping unit, and 8 rendering output unit. On the right side, you can see the data of integrated graphic testing on video game named as Bioshock Infinite, which run on two different height graphic settings. This proves that the processor can be run for playing modern video games and suitable for some graphic works. The radar charts represent performance of Intel Core i7-13700K compared with AMD Ryzen 9 7950X and an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X. The data shows that the processors were measuring on gaming and music production and also not lost too much on other tasks when compared with those other two processors.
So for the application part, Intel Core i7 can be used for gaming. This is because this processor can handle complex tasks and calculation during the gameplay. Other than that, many modern games are designed to take advantage of multiple core in processor. The more core in CPU, the better it can distribute the workload. It allows for smoother multitasking and improve the performance in game. Besides, software development also is one of the application of this processor. For example, when a programmer runs a code, this processor can reduce the compilation times and allows the developer to see the result of the code quickly. And a powerful processor also can help the developer to identify and fix the issues of the code easily. In conclusion, the 13th generation Intel processor features is a revolutionary design to its 12th generation. This processor has several advantages that can boost the efficiency of computer performance. For example, like hyperthreading technology. This technology can help for better performance in multitasking scenarios. Plus, turbo boost technology can allow the processor to run faster than it pays to handle more demanding tasks.